This oxygen atoms, double bond O, this is. So what is the name of this types of the compound? This is what a coumarin. Coumarin. As well can this 4-hydroxycoumarin is also. How it is obtained? The first, it is the target molecules. What is the plan of analysis first? What is the analysis plan? What is the analysis of given target molecule? You have to disconnect this CO, CC, disconnect. This is 2 CCD. Again, one times, as you can see, one times. What one times? CO disconnection. First way, CO disconnection, and what the second way, we are written this is carbon-carbon double bond. CC disconnection and CO disconnection. So what about as the part of the synthetic equivalent? As the part of synthetic equivalent, that is the CHO group, and this one is the oxygen atoms, hydroxy ions is there. The hydroxides, oxide ions are synthetic synthon. What is the synthetic one? Is OH. Again, these are what we are having the C double bond O. C double bond O. We can take this is the O. It is here. Ester is there. So whatever. This is what we can take the CS3 atoms or group of atoms. I am writing this is the group. It is what methyl as ethyl acetate. This is the ethyl acetate, and here this 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde is called. This is the salicylaldehyde. Again you can say this salicylaldehyde. As we have been synthesized, this is the one of the synthetic equivalent. What is the plan of the synthesis? What is the design of these types of the molecule? What is the synthesis? If we are in the starting reactant molecules, this is salicylaldehyde. We are having the salicylaldehyde is reacted with what? This is reacted with what? Ethyl acetate. The salicylaldehyde is treated with the ethyl acetate in presence of what? Basic condition. It is reacted with the basic condition. First, whatever this base having tendency to take the proton from this CH3 group, and it becomes to the carbon ions and attack on these types of the carbon after loss of water molecule. Its formation of the target molecules. That is what of hydroxycoumarin or only symbol. That is the coumarin molecule. It is the head 6 member. As you can say, 6 member fused. 6 member fuse a heterocyclic compound. These types of the molecule are the form of 6 member fused heterocyclic compound starting from what? 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. This is the 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, or we can say this ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde. It is known as salicylaldehyde. The starting reactant molecule is salicylaldehyde is treated with what? Ethyl acetate in presence of basic condition, then formation of what? After condensation, as you can say, after condensation, formation of the coumarin, that is the target compound, target molecules. So instead of, we can take this is the OH group is here also. This 4-hydroxycoumarin. 4-hydroxycoumarin is obtained. This what if you can take this another types of the group of atoms, the formation of what? This is the 4-hydroxycoumarin molecules. In another example we will take this is the nitrogen containing fused heterocyclic compound. For example, as we know, this is indole and the quinolene. Here we are going to disconnection, that is the 1 time 2 disconnection, CO disconnection, COCC and COCC as well as the CN disconnection is there. This depending upon the basic condition, basic reactant, basic reagents. If we are having this another types of the target molecules, that is a 6 member fused heterocyclic compound, that is the nitrogen containing. As you can say, this is known as the quinoline molecule. These are the quinoline. This is the quinoline as the fused heterocyclic compound. What is the analysis? If you have to disconnection, this CN disconnection as well as this CC disconnection 1 time. As you can say, CC as well as C double bond N disconnection. So these are the target molecules. It is we can take single target molecules without a substituent, or we can take this is a substituent molecule, that is the nitrogen containing 6 member fused heterocycles. So whatever their formation of what is synthetic equivalent, we want to the formation of the synthetic equivalent this NH2 atoms, and here the CHO. 2-amino, this name of this compound is known as the 2-amino benzaldehyde. This is called as what? 2-amino benzaldehyde. As you can say, this is the name of these types of the compound 2-amino or orthoamino benzaldehyde, and what is another synthetic equivalent. This is what we can take. This is the dikiller COOET and COOET. So we are having provided here C11OET and C11OET because of the types of the reaction is takes place, or we can take this another types of the species is here. Here we can take this CS3 atoms, and this attack on these types of the compound is OET is lost. We'll take the synthetic element, this one, or CS3 C11O, and this is the formaldehyde. As well as we can take what? CS3 C11O Cl atom. So we can take this synthetic equivalents in the plan of the synthesis. What is the plan of the synthesis or the design of the synthesis? We are on the formula chloride. This formula chloride HC11OCl. This formula chloride is treated with what? Amino benzaldehyde. As you can say, 2-amino benzaldehyde. This is called as the 2-amino benzaldehyde is reacted in presence of acidic and base as of acidic condition. We can take this is the acidic condition. This is the base having tendency to attack on these types of the compound, and this low pair of electron to take the proton. Then formation of again after condensation. After condensation, we will obtain these types of the product molecule that is called as what? A 6-member nitrogen containing heterocyclic compound. This is known as what? Phenolic. So this is called as a target molecules. We have been provided these target molecules, but the analysis is followed by synthesis of such types of the compound. If we are having this another, if you have this the nitrogen containing 6-member heterocyclic compound, nitrogen containing 6-member heterocyclic compound, for example, this is the pyridine molecules. How it is obtained pyridine molecules are 2-aminopyridine. Then we are approaching toward the next plan of the synthesis. How the formation of the 2-aminopyridine. The reaction between what the pyridine and what ammonia. So KNH2 or NNH2. The reaction between what pyridine and potassium amide or sodamide. The formation of the types of the product is 2-aminopyridine. Is the name of the reaction is called the Chichi-Babin reaction. But here, first of all, we can take this is the 6-member heterocycle, that is nitrogen containing 6-member heterocyclic compound. This is the pyridine. What is the plan of this analysis? We have the disconnection, that is the 2CN disconnection. Whatever 2CN again, what the 2CC disconnection is also here. So whatever 2CC disconnection is here. So whatever CN and CC disconnection. Is formation of the ammonia, and then what? We are having this these types of the reactant species C11O, and this is what? Again, this is C11O. Here this methyl group we can take. This is the OET, and this one is the OET. Ester is there. So we are having this what methyl group, but there is total carbon 1, 2. This is what? 2 carbon atoms, here 2 carbon atoms. Ammonia is here 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. If you want to, this is the one of the CS3 group is there. So this CS3 group our disconnection is here. So there is formation of what? This is what? C11O and the C11O, as we can say this formaldehyde is also. You can take this what formaldehyde CH2O. So these are the reactant species. We are having this synthon is there and H plus is there, and this CS3 group we can take this hydrogen atom is here, or instead of this X atom is there. So again, what is the plan of the synthesis? What is the plan of the synthesis? So we are having these types of the reactant species. This ammonia. First of all, you can take this is the formaldehyde. Here is ammonia, and here we can take this is the ester group is there, C11OOET. This is what? We can take this X atoms or group of atoms. Here X atoms or group of atoms instead of H atoms or H atoms. Formaldehydes. This the basic condition is not H plus atoms. You can take this directly at the synthetic equivalent is there. So the reaction between the formaldehyde, this is the ester, 2 mole of ester and ammonia. This is the multi-component synthesis, as you can say. This reaction is takes place in presence of what? H plus acidic condition, heat. So this here we need, there is no need to the acid, but this is here is need acid, but here is need order basic condition. Here it require into the basic condition, that's why we use this one acid and the base. यहाँ पे हमें बेस लेना पड़ेगा because of the base having tendency to take the proton from here as well. And most of the types of the reaction in acidic condition as well, we that types of the species is lost. Then this proton is abstracted from this active methylene group. That's why we need the